Number of atoms in a unit cell. Let us consider simple cubic crystal or cell. Number of atoms is given by Z. So there are 8 corners and you have got 8 atoms into, and it is shared by 8 adjacent atoms. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 atom. So number of atoms for a simple cubic unit cell is only 1. Suppose if it is a BCC, body centered cubic crystal, means at the center you have 1 plus 8 into 1 by 8, so totally 2. And in the case of this one FCC, face centered, you have got 6 faces, and each face is shared by 2 adjacent atoms. So in that case 1 by 2 into 6 faces, that is 3 atoms. Already corner atoms are there here, 8 corners. Okay, so therefore 8 into 1 by 8, 1, so 4 atoms. Okay, so actually this is the face centered cubic crystal, and it is shared by the adjacent unit cell, and that is why we have put 1 by 2 here. Okay, so for simple cubic cell you have 1, and the body centered cubic cell we have 2 atoms, and face centered we have 4 atoms. Then let us consider a problem. A cubic solid is made up of 2 elements, X and Y. X and Y are the 2 elements. Atom Y anions. Y anions are at the corners. Y anions are at the corners. So at corner you have Y. And X cations are present face centered. So corner atoms are Y. Face centers are X. So we know already 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1. And if it is face centered, 6 into 1 by 2, that is 3. So we have to arrive at the molecular formula based on this. So there are 3X. So X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 1. So you can call it X3Y. Okay, this is the molecular formula of the given compound. Right, next. Calculate the number of atoms in a cubic unit cell having 1 atom on each corner and 2 atoms on each diagonal. So let us identify the diagonals. This is, let me first of all number the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you just link 1 and 6. 6 is here. So 1, 6. Similarly 4, 5. 4, 5. Likewise we have 4 diagonals. So 4 diagonal atoms consisting each 2 means 4 into 2, 8. So already that is at the corner position you have 1, and here it is 8. Totally 9 atoms are there. Then number atoms A are arranged in CCP array. So let us put n atoms. Atoms B occupy all the octahedral position. Okay, so octahedral position we know that is a 1 number. Okay, and half of the octahedral will be always, here it is a half. So half of the tetrahedral voids. So tetrahedral voids means 2n. So half of the 2n means 2n into 1 by 2. So that is 1n. So this is already 1n. So 1n plus 1n, that is 2. So A is 1, B is 2. So the molecular formula is AB2. And the octahedral void is explained here. So let us consider the atom here, and that is surrounded by 4 plus 2, 6 atoms here. So it occupies exactly the octahedral position. In fact, assuming that it is an octahedral void, at the void you have 1 sodium or 1 atom, any atom. And you can try out this problem. Then anions C are arranged in cubic packing. So it is cubic packing, it is said C anion. Cation occupy 50%. So tetrahedral void. We know already for tetrahedral void it is 2n. So 2n into, and cation 50%. In fact, cation 50% is octahedral. So octahedral is 50%. So n into 1 by 2. Okay, and what is the molecular formula? So tetrahedral 2 into n into 1 by 2, because 50% is given. okay, 50%, and this one is 50%, so n by 2. C is n only, so A, B, C, n is to n by 2 is to n, and you can multiply the entire thing by 2, so it becomes 2n, n, 2n. So n can be taken out, so 2 is to 1 is to 2. It means A2BC2, that is the molecular formula. Similarly, A has CCP and B atom 2/3 of the tetrahedral. So we know already tetrahedral 2n. So 2 by 3 into 2n. It means 4n by 3. So A is to B is n is to 4n by 3. And 3 can be multiplied here on both sides so that you can remove the fraction. So 3 is to 4. N can be removed. So 3 is to 4. So A3B4 is the molecular formula. Aluminium 3 plus replaces sodium cation at edge unit of NaCl. Calculate the vacancies in 1 mole of NaCl. So what you have to do, let us draw the face-centered cubic crystal of sodium chloride, and where the Na plus is replaced by aluminium 3 plus. Okay. So in such a way, for 3 Na plus, you have to replace once Al3 plus. Okay. So it means to maintain the electrical neutrality. Now we need to calculate 1 mole of NaCl. So 12 into Na plus ion into 1 by 4. So we know already it is a 1/4. So 3 sodium ion. And what about this one, FCC face centered? It is shared by, each face is shared by 2 units. So 6 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 3. And we know already 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 4. 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. So there are 4 atoms of NaCl, but 2 atoms of sodium and 2 chlorine atoms are there. So we had to calculate the sodium only. So 2 out of 4. Okay. So 2 out of 4 into Avogadro's number, 6.022 into 10 power 23. So 1 by 2 of 6.022, which is nothing but 3.011 into 10 power 23 sodium atoms. Okay. Similarly, for you can work out for iron oxide, ferric oxide also. In the case of ferric oxide, so octahedral is 1 void, and here that is 3 into 2/3 of n. So in that, you have got 2/3. So 2/3 n is to n. So multiply by 3 and you are able to get 2n, 3n. So 2 is to 3. So Fe2O3 is the molecular formula. Okay. So always remember the number of voids of octahedron and tetrahedron. So number of octahedral voids and number of tetrahedral voids, it should be taken into account in a CCP array. Okay.